Government, community, and charitable agencies offer many services to people in need, but getting in touch with those services can be difficult. Human services workers provide the connection. They are the face of an agency. Their job titles and responsibilities vary.
The question is this, folks. It's the question on the floor.
And include social service assistant, case management aide, social work assistant, community support worker, alcohol or drug abuse counselor, mental health aide, community outreach worker, life skill counselor, or gerontology aide. Any one of those titles refers to the person who helps individuals reach the social and healthcare services they need. At the same time, human services workers help determine whether people seeking help are indeed eligible for benefits and services. So the human service worker might examine financial documents like rent receipts and tax returns. She or he might visit a residence to check the truth of claims or arrange for transportation to hospitals or clinics. Other human service workers help people get on track with their lives, providing services such as mental health treatment, drug rehabilitation, or home care for the elderly. They may also help clients fill out insurance or medical forms, as well as applications for financial aid. A bachelor's degree is usually not required in this expanding field. Instead, certificates or associate degrees in subjects like social work, human services, or social and behavioral sciences enhance your ability to get a job and do it. You'll need effective communication skills, patience, and a strong desire to help people. The job is relatively low-paying, though benefits usually are included, and the work can be emotionally draining. But when the right connection is made between a person in need and a service that can help, you'll feel good.